This glider is built in Potchefstroom, which is about 50 kilometers from here. So it's South African built, and it also competes very favorably with the best gliders in the world. So there are basically 3 major gliding producing factories. 2 of them are in Germany, and then you have the one in Potchefstroom, and what started off as a dream has become a reality, I think, for South Africa and for South African gliding. Many years ago, we've got cruise, we mentioned earlier, transport aircraft used, and then moving on to the airline, where he finished up as an instructor. He was also a fleet captain on the Airbus.
I'm Jason Beamish, 33 years old, and I fly this beautiful Extra 330 in a formation display with Nigel Hopkins. So it's the Extra 330 LX, 2-seater, unlimited aerobatic machine, 315 horsepower, and it's the best thing ever. 2-seater and the single-seater, they're great machines.
I'm Nigel Hopkins, and this is my Extra 330 SC. I'm the leader of the Iveco Extra Aerobatic team. I started flying basically from birth. My dad's a pilot, so I've been flying with him from a very young age, and then just naturally progressed into getting my private pilot's license right through to the airline transport pilot's license. And right now I'm working for the Boeing company. So this is the top competition aerobatic aircraft in the world. It's won just about every competition there is, and certainly been the top aerobatic airplane for the last 10 years.
What a show. In fact, I find it hard to describe the excitement and the pure pleasure. If this is what the Airshow season is going to be like, then it is going to be absolutely incredible, because we have had flying of the highest order. We've had a program that ran to the second. We were blessed with glorious weather, and we've had a crowd like I have not ever seen at a small country show.
I'm the winner of the Breitling jacket. I'm truly happy to be at the Parys Airshow. It's my first Airshow in 3 years, and I'm happy to be back here.
As worn by Tom Cruise.
We made it a day event to come out here with all our friends and family, and it's really been an awesome show. Something that Parys is lacking. The airfield has been here for many years, but they haven't had air shows like this in many years here, so we thoroughly enjoyed it. We enjoyed Scully Levine that was here as well. We enjoyed the aerobatic team. And I think everybody that was here put on a great show.
Baie lekker vandag hierso. Ek hoop julle kom elke liewe jaar. Verskriklik talentvolle pilots en Die crowd is lekker, hier's so baie mense, die kos, ag die hele atmosfeer is net baie lekker. Hoop om julle weer te sien.
First airshow that I've been able to get to in a couple of years, and it is absolutely fantastic. Brilliant airshow. I had no idea that Parys was going to provide so much.
I'm here from Parys, and we are here in this lovely day at Parys Airfield with this beautiful show. It's just amazing. We as a family enjoying too much.
I'm a vendor selling Indian foods. I'm here at the Parys Airshow, and it's amazing with the amount of people that's been here today.
There's been so many amazing prizes, and it's been an amazing experience to see all of the planes and the market and all the food stalls.
My name is Aiden, and this day was so cool. I enjoyed it, everything. This was the coolest thing I've ever seen. The most coolest part was the heart.